Here's numbers 7 and 9 on page 138 in your textbook. So you can see how to do these types of problems. For the number 7, 26 centimeters is being compared to 4 meters. Notice that the two types of measurement are different here. So you have to know how many centimeters there are in a meter. Well, there happens to be 100 centimeters in a meter. So this is actually the ratio 26 to 400, because 4 meters would be 400 centimeters. And to simplify a ratio, you have to divide both numbers by the greatest common factor. And I'm thinking, let's start just by chopping this in half. So this becomes 13, that becomes 200. Well, the only thing I can divide 13 by is 13 and 1. And I don't think I can divide 200 by 13, so this would be my simplest form. For number 9, 35 minutes is equal to 2, or not equal to, but is being compared to 2 hours. It's a ratio of 35 minutes to 2 hours. We have to know how many minutes there are in an hour, which is pretty easy. There's 60 minutes in an hour. So this is actually the ratio of 35 to 120, and that would be 60 times 2 would give us 120. How can I simplify this? Well, let's try dividing by 5. I think that might be the greatest common factor. This would become 7, and then 5 times 20 is 100, and 5 times 4 is 20, so we get 24. So my ratio, and I can't divide 7 by anything but 7 and 1, and I cannot divide 24 by 7. It is kind of nice when you show what you're dividing by. Let's do that here and here so that we're really showing our thinking well.